All right, so the markets are doing very well today, guys. It's currently about 1:15 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have the Dow Jones up 1.4%, the Nasdaq's up well over 2%, and the S&P's up almost 2%. And pretty much every stock on my watch list is crushing it. My portfolio's killing it today, guys. But honestly, I don't think this rally is going to last, and I want to break down what I'm seeing on the charts here when it comes to SPY and Triple Q. And later in the video, we'll break down some other stocks. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Just use that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. And for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, use that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. And we're actually using the Moomoo platform for this video, guys, and I'll start using it a lot more in the videos to show you guys how awesome of a platform it truly is. So like I said, the entire stock market is exploding today. The S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow. I mean, look, some individual stocks that are moving. We have Snapchat moving, Palantir's up over 10%, Meta's up 2.6%, we have Apple up 1.7%, Amazon's back in the mid 160s, and we're noticing here on the intraday chart that we have been seeing a bit of resistance on SPY at about 200, or not 200, geez guys, 500, quite the difference there, $530 per share. If I draw this trend line out, you guys can see we've been struggling here all day, right? Not only just in the morning, but pretty much throughout the last couple of hours. And yes, we do have an ascending triangle forming here on the intraday chart, which is a good sign for the bulls, no doubt about it. This could end up being a spot where we might break out above 530, which we'll see. Time will tell. I'll keep you guys updated. But as you pull the layers back a little bit, let's say maybe on the month chart, we can see another story here. We can see that clearly we're still overall in a downtrend on SPY and on Triple Q. Nobody's denying that. I mean, if I pull up Triple Q as well, you guys can see on the month chart here, obviously we're still in a downtrend, and the little rally that we've seen over the last couple of days has gotten us from 420 on Triple Q up to 445, and we're still well under the moving averages, right? You guys notice that here on this time frame, on this month chart, on Triple Q and on SPY as well. We're still well under these moving averages, right? And notice this on the 5-day 5-minute chart, which prompted me to make this video, guys. Let me show you what's going on in the very short term here. If I want to zoom in a little bit, there we go. You guys can see, what is this? This kind of looks like a triple top in the making, at least to me. I don't know about you guys, but to me, this kind of looks like a triple top in the making. We hit roughly 530 on SPY a couple of days ago on the 6th, which was what? On Tuesday. We hit it again intraday yesterday on Wednesday at about 530. And now in real time on Thursday, right? We're struggling yet again at 530 here on SPY. So I'm not loving that. I'm not loving that, to be honest. And yes, if we broke out, let's say we did something like that, okay, at that point, sure. Maybe, if we ripped out of there 530, 535, we start breaking these moving averages. All right, at that point, that'd be awesome. That'd be a legitimate breakout. Especially if we break the downtrend on the month chart. If I zoom out again, you guys will be able to see it, right? But we're just not getting that quite yet. And you guys can see here on the 15-minute chart what I just said, even better. The clear triple top that's in the making right now, which I'm not loving. So I'm feeling more downside potentially to come here. I feel like on the month chart, you guys can see we could easily make a case for another dump off here on, SPY, same thing pretty much on Triple Q. If I pull this up, you guys will be able to see it. If I pull Triple Q up, you're noticing the same triple top on the 15-minute chart. And if I pop the month chart up, we can see easily a case could be made that we dump off yet again here, guys. But yeah, there's a lot of buying pressure. Honestly, volume has died down over the last couple of days throughout these ETFs, which makes sense, but we're still getting a pop today, which unfortunately is suckering in a lot of buyers, a lot of short-term traders probably that think this is going to go through the roof again, but I just don't see it, at least in the short term, until the technicals prove me otherwise. And can they prove me otherwise? Totally possible, guys, but we're not getting it quite yet. And I'm afraid that the triple top followed by the dump off could play out here on these ETFs, which could obviously send stocks a lot lower. And the selling overall could continue at that point, maybe to the point where Triple Q retests 420, which again, that's a big level of support here from the last couple of days, and to the point where SPY might be going down to its low, which on this 3-month chart we can see is right around $507 per share, which if I zoom in, you guys can see it. We hit that point on the 5th of August, which was on Monday, this past Monday. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you guys see markets going lower, or do you actually think we're about to break out of this downwards trend that we've been seeing? I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And we do have some movers today. Nothing too crazy, but it does seem like big tech is moving. We do have Netflix pushing to the top of this, channel, if you will, that we've been trading in for a couple of weeks. You guys can see Netflix is testing this big spot. Let me show you this. If I get the parallel channel tool out, we can see, boom, we're clearly trading in this channel, currently at the top of it, right? So maybe a breakout could be coming, but again, it all comes down to the overall stock market, right? Apple is looking pretty similar, right? We're overall still in a downtrend, but testing the top of the downtrend right now. So, yes, we're getting nice bounces, especially in stocks like Palantir, which I'll make a video on later today. Don't you guys worry, but we're not fully breaking out yet. Well, maybe Palantir is about to fully break out. That's a different story, guys. But we're talking about the overall stock market here, which I'm not too convinced of yet, of the overall breakout. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. I'm very curious to see where your head's at, and make sure to sign up to my mailing list if you guys want me to send you my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday. Every Monday morning, right to your email, guys. That's the first link down below. And don't forget to sign up to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. And again, the platform we just made the video on is the Moomoo platform, which I'll be using more throughout the videos, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one.